Hello, I'm Seth Johnson with Land a House. So if you remember in a previous video, we installed this makeshift threshold, which was basically a treated board with a little notch cut so the door would have something to stop on. Well, I went to my local hardware store and found a threshold on sale from $18 down to $2, and I thought, I can't pass that up. So here it is. So it's just an aluminum body, and it's got this rubber piece that sticks up, and so the door will push down on this when it closes, keeping air and bugs out. So let's install this today. Now this is designed for a 36-inch door, which this one is not. So let's see what our size is here. Oops. 28 1/4. So let's cut this thing down to 28 1/4. I meant to buy a new hacksaw blade twice, but I forgot both times. This one's really dull. So I got the threshold cut and placed where I want it. So just like before, I'm going to take a masonry bit here and, well, yeah. Okay, I'm going to just drill a spot right here. And then also on the other side. Now pull this up. I did mark it too. So now we know where to put our new holes. And I'm just going to come here and start drilling this out some. Well, I finally got those holes drilled in there. So now I'm going to take some of this clear caulking and apply it here. Oops. All along the bottom. Both sides of the wall here. Okay, now I'm just going to give this a generous squeeze down here. Okay, and let's see where else we need that in just a bit. Okay. So, put this here. Yeah, I was kind of hoping it would squeeze out some of that. Okay. Now, to see if I can get these holes lined up here. Okay. I'm kind of excited about this threshold. Something I should have done before the bugs got here. Nice. I sure hope I went far enough with these things. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can get these a little further with my ratchet set here. No, I hit the bottom. So, I'm saying if the door closes, we'll accept that as good enough. Unless this thing rocks up and down. Yeah, I don't know. I should have got another little bit with that drill. Let me do that real quick, just to be on the safe side. Let's try this again. So, let's see what we get. Not there yet, but a lot closer on that one. Do you see my other screw there? There it is. Okay, see if I can get these a little better here with this ratchet. That's pretty well tight there. Well, I hope that this thing doesn't come up. If it does, maybe doing this again. Okay, so now we got this strip here, and well, I do want to make sure this door closes. Yep, sure does. So I guess I should cut this as well. Let's see, what do we say? 28 and a quarter? Was that our number? Yep. So, what I'm going to do is use our scissors here. Okay. Alright. Hope I'm not making a mistake by not finishing out that last little spot there. Oops. I apologize for some of the camera angles in the previous clips. Didn't check the camera. So the threshold has been installed. So a couple things that I might have an issue with later on, and that is those screws. You can fill them in there, right there. So we'll see if stepping on that over time pops a hole in this rubber. If it does, I'll probably find a little bit shorter concrete screw that I can use in there. Alright, masonry screw. So let's see here. See how well the door closes. So it's just barely rubbing on the top of that. So probably could have done with a little bit of support underneath, but I think it's going to do all right. Well, that was another exciting land house video, one that I needed to do for a while. So I think next I'm going to be putting the weather stripping around the door frame itself. I had those ants in here, and if I had put those strips and this thing on earlier, probably wouldn't have had that problem. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Seth Johnson with Land House, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I wanted to make a pretty decent seal here.